Well, hey family, happy Friday. We almost to Saturday. I'm looking forward to my weekend. I plan to just create all weekend. All weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then as you know, Tuesday through Friday, the regular week resumes itself. Okay. So I'm sitting here making some bracelets. I didn't turn the camera on because I really didn't feel like talking through the video. So I said, well, let me just go ahead and sit in some peace and just do some creating. Now this bracelet right here, I do like the way this one came out. So with this one, it's a lot of light. You can see that gold, and then you can just kind of see the way I made the bracelet. How it looks on the wrist like a big old gold piece. So I did put gold flakes. So I used some of the gold flakes that I had bought. I got these from Toomey some time back. So I got a big jar of these flakes, like little gold flakes. And then what I did is I used some Mod Podge, and I bought these beads from Hobby Lobby. I think Hobby Lobby. You know, I don't be remembering where I got stuff, but I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. And I went ahead and modged the bead, and then I put some of the gold flakes, laid them out really good, and I used a toothpick to lay them on like really good. And then I let them dry, and then I went ahead and put another little thin coat of Mod Podge. And what I did is after it dried real good, I just kept brushing over it like this, brushing like this. So if there was any extra, it would fall off. And then this is what it came out looking like. And I am going to wear this bracelet myself just to find out how this wears. So I don't want to make pieces like this and then, I sell them and then for some reason the flakes start coming off or something happens. So I'm gonna keep these for myself, and I am gonna wear these. I really like this. So I'm gonna wear these myself, this set. And find out how, just how the gold stuff will work. And I like it. I think I was gonna put some more charms on it, but I do like it with the charms, just enough charms and that big old gold piece on there like that. I really like it. I really like the way it came out. It just looks very elegant, really boho-ish, very jazzy. Just a really, oh, and then I put the big nice wire bead on the back with those big glass beads. I think these are 16 millimeter glass beads. And these beads right here, I don't remember her channel name, but she has sent me these. Her name might be Miss Rose. I want to say Miss Rose. I don't remember her channel name, and I think it was Miss Rose had sent these beads right here some time back. And they really match well with this. I mean, those beads match really good. Ooh, and that gold is just glistening all in the eye, right? So these came out looking really nice. I really like these. And I think I am going to probably put some more gold on a couple more of these, and then make a couple more bracelets like this, and then make them charmed, because I really like the way this came out. And the other bracelet set, I was thinking about wearing that one on Sunday, but I think I'm gonna wear these on Sunday. And then I got another event next week that I'm going to, and I think I'm gonna wear these two times. So Sunday and then another time during the week, and then I'll probably find somewhere else to wear them to, and then kind of see how this part wears. And I think it should last pretty good because my probably really does well. So we'll see what happens. But I really like the way these came out. You guys let me know what you think about this big part right here. But this is that big wood piece. And it's the gold flakes. So I got these gold flakes off of Tumi. They weren't very expensive. Don't ask me how much they were, but I know they weren't very expensive at all. And then the wood beads, I think these came with maybe 6 in Hobby Lobby, I think they came from. And then this one is a hand painted bead, the 20 millimeter hand painted wood bead. And then of course I got a bunch of clay beads, bone beads, metal beads, glass beads, all those goodies on here. And then of course the charms are custom charms. So these little charms right here I made myself using these beads right here. And I generally use 16 gauge or 18 gauge wire. It just depends on the size of the hole. And this is probably 18 gauge wire that I used. I like to use a 60. This one is made out of 18 gauge. Right here, that's a charm. So all the charms are custom charms, all except this token. These token ones are not. But I really like this one. You guys let me know what you think. But anyway, darling, night for J by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.